What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video guys, I want to talk exactly about this bearish divergence right here which has formed on the 4-hourly chart. We can see right here lower highs on the RSI right there, higher highs on the price right there, and also a MACD cross right here and a bearish histogram right here on the 4-hourly chart. I want to talk about that in today's video and what impact that could have, potentially pushing the price down to $80,000 or lower even. Potentially. I want to talk also about my trade right here. I want to talk about massive money coming into the stock market, about what's happening with Michael Saylor, also about this Clarity Act coming, and much more in today's video, guys. It's going to be a good one. As always, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, amazing to see you here on a Thursday afternoon. Let's hope it's going to be a good day. If you're a bull, let's hope we push above and break this CME gap. If you're a bear, let's hope we get rejected all the way down to this level right here. I'm going to try and give you my completely unbiased opinion. And as always, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack sharing his journey about crypto. And also, if you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. Guys, also don't forget to join my completely free Telegram group. For now, it is free, but it will turn into a premium paid group soon. Just yesterday, we had this amazing long position right here on NIA, and it was in fact over 110% in profit. You could have traded this exactly completely for free. This is the chart. It went parabolic pretty much on the 4-hourly chart. This was the entry which we gave up here right there. We gave the entry, and then it turned out to do exactly this. Previously, we made some really nice trades. You can see right there in the group, completely for free. All you have to do is join. There is over 600 people in there. Again, I am going to cap this group. Make sure you get in. The link is down below in today's description. Let's take a look at the 4-hourly chart, because last night we had some pretty interesting stuff right here. We were in fact pushing. I did film a video last night right here at approximately in the afternoon right there. We were pushing up here to approximately 83k. However, we did in fact get rejected right there. We're on the 4-hourly chart, a nice bearish candlestick towards the downside, a little potential relief rally, and we may end up coming back down here, guys. We can see right here the price is trending towards the upside, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high again. And again, on the RSI right there, we are having multiple lower highs right there. So we would need the RSI to break about 70 if we are to break this bearish structure right there. And of course, the MACD on the 4-hourly as well has in fact crossed right there bearish. And we're seeing a bearish red candlesticks on the histogram as well. If we were to go ahead and take a look at this chart exactly right here though, guys, we can see that on the daily time frame, I believe it's this one right here. On the daily time frame, we are in fact flipping back in to this candlestick right there. And this could mean that the price of Bitcoin could in fact be coming back down to this target all the way down here, just below $70,000. In yesterday's video, I said, don't celebrate just yet if you are a bull, because I want a weekly close above this bear flag right here. We can see this bear flag which formed back at the start of the year, exactly like so. Classic bear flag, which usually will break to the downside exactly right there. However, as of right now, if we zoom in on the daily chart, we are starting to form back into this bear flag right there. And again, in yesterday's video, I was saying I want a weekly close above this bear flag if we are to in fact confirm that we are going to push and break towards the upside and take a look at this exact resistance right there, and even potentially push higher to these levels right there. I want a weekly close right there. Again, the CME gap, again, it's still there. Nothing's changed. We do have this Fibonacci area right there, which I want to talk about, because this 0.65 and 0.618 usually is a magnet for the Bitcoin price. So I'm not entirely sold. I don't think that this 4-hour bearish divergence is going to keep us away from this golden pocket right there. Usually the price will enter into it and we will see a dump. That's what I'm expecting to happen. Yes, I know I am in my trade right here. It's negative 20k. However, I'm holding. I strongly believe we are going to go back towards the downside. Again, in yesterday's video, I was talking, I've got an 85.2k liquidation price. Let's hope I don't get liquidated. If I do, I've got more margin, or I can deposit more funds to the exchange, because I definitely want to catch this top right here. And again, if we take a look at something like the weekly chart right here and zoom out, right there, we can see that honestly, I really strongly do believe that we are in a bear market. And each bear market, we can see right there, the top right there, we dumped down, we had a relief rally, and then we dumped towards the downside. Again, is that relief rally this exact area right here? I don't know. Potentially it is. However, I'm thinking we're going to go further towards the downside. And again, if we take a look on the weekly chart at these EMA ribbons right here, this is my exact target right here. If you are new to the channel, 48K to around 56K. That is my target for the bear market. If we are taking a look at some of the stuff, also interesting, we can see $1 trillion has been added to the US stock market overnight just today. It's absolutely ridiculous. Stocks are ripping, mainly because of AI, but they are absolutely ripping right here. We can see Nvidia up 6%, Apple up 1%, Google up 2.5%. They are absolutely ripping, and Bitcoin is not really going anywhere, to be honest. If we take a look at the chart, it's not really doing anything crazy. We do have these EMA ribbons on the weekly chart, which will probably suppress us from going above 86K. If we take a look at the daily chart as well, we do have a little bit of a magnet towards the downside for the EMA ribbons, potentially 77 to around 74K. But one thing which is interesting is if we pull up the 20-day moving average, each time we have in fact pushed to the upside in this time frame, we have magnetized back down to this 20-day moving average. So again, it's a massive level of gravitational pull, this 20-day moving average, and this is currently sitting at around 77K. I think we're going to flip bearish. We are just having a relief rally, potentially even up to this CME gap before dumping towards the downside. Of course, I could be completely wrong. Drop your comments down below if you think I'm wrong, if you think I'm right. That will also enter you into the giveaway, $100 every single Monday. Make sure you are in fact doing that. And if you wanted to get a much better entry point than I have on my trade at 77K, you can go ahead down below today's video, and there's actually a $1,000 free trade which you can take. Click the link right here. Go ahead and make yourself an account. You download the app, wait 48 hours, you're going to get a $20 coupon in the coupon center right here. You can see rewards, coupon center, wait, be patient. If you are in the eligible countries, you will get the bonus. And the links are down below, guys, for that exact trade. So I also want to talk about this because the Clarity Act is potentially set. I say potentially because these things, they always change. Potentially set for passing on July the 4th. That will be an amazing July the 4th for crypto for sure. If that does happen, will we see some kind of a pump into that? Is it already built into the price? Who knows? But usually on the day of the passing of this act, for example, usually the price is already baked in. So we could see a pump into July, potentially a bit of sideways action between 80 and 86K into that region. But it's very, very bullish for crypto nonetheless. We are still very bearish, guys. We are very, very negative right here. The funding rate is right there. And we're seeing a lot more shorts happening right now than long positions. We can see it on the funding rate right there. We can also see it right here. I know I show you this every day, but it's a really, really important chart. The longs are heavily outweighing the shorts right there. And again, it's around a 6x difference right there. That has to mean something. It cannot mean nothing. It really has to mean something. These long positions are really, really waiting to get liquidated because right now, many people were probably longing in this area right there. And if we were to go back to it, it's going to cause a lot of pain in the market. And as you know, markets love maximum pain. If we take a look at the liquidation heat map as well, we've formed a little bit more of liquidity up here above 81, 82K. Again, it could in fact go ahead and flip that towards liquidations. But again, my play for what I think will happen, guys, you can see it exactly on the screen right there. Will I be correct? Who knows? But this is the best prediction of my ability. Of course, it's not financial advice. It's just what my opinion is. And I think we are in this bear flag, and it would be rude not to ignore it because it's just until we, again, get a weekly close above this level right here, I just don't think we are going to push higher. And if we zoom out and take a look at this level right here, this massive, massive level of previous resistance right there. Again, it was on the weekly chart, so we can see it better here. Again, support right there, support right there. It's a massive, massive level, and I don't think we are realistically going to break that so easily. And I think we are going to see a target down here, low 50s, potentially high 40s. That is my target for this bear market, and I think that will in fact happen. If you want to get a better entry price than me and you wanted to get that $3,000 trade, again, $20 coupon, you can 50x completely for free, no KYC, no deposit required. The links are down below in this video. Again, all you have to do is click this link right there, make the account, download the app completely for free, wait 24 to 48 hours if you're in an eligible country, and then go ahead and get this free trade right there. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Again, I'm not a financial advisor for the UK, USA. If you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Let's see what happens. Are we going to get a daily close coming into this weekend? Are we going to get a weekly close above this bear flag right there to completely invalidate it? And potentially I will flip bullish. Let's see, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.